Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Gelila. So last time I made a video, it was about how to get the curls in your straight hair without any heat, but as you can see, my hair is ready to be washed and looks so dry and brittle and just not the move. So today we're gonna go through straight to curly hair process, and since I've already done a video on my protein treatment, I thought that I could share this hot oil and deep conditioning mask that I just got from Hask, and I'm so excited to try it out. So yeah, we're gonna go through that today, and if you're not already subscribed, please do, and give this video a thumbs up too if you like it. All right, so I picked up this deep conditioning mask from Hask. You guys can see it. It's a blue chamomile and argan oil mask, and why I really wanted to try this one out was because it brightens and repairs all blonde shades, and as you guys know, I'm blonde. But I've used Hask masks in the past. I love their deep conditioning masks, so I'm sure this one will be just as good. And I picked up their hot oil treatment. It's mostly argan oil based. It has like aloe leaf extract in it as well, among with other oils. So basically, I just have to put this hot oil tube into hot water that I've already boiled, that I put into this bowl, and then I'm just gonna set this tube in there for about 1 minute so that the oil gets really warm before I put it in my hair. All right, so now that my oil is warmed up, I'm gonna start the process. But one thing I wanted to mention about this hot oil treatment is that it also strengthens and restores. And earlier I was talking about how I feel like my hair just got like really brittle this time around. So I really needed something that strengthened and restored. So that's why I picked this one up. So we're just gonna start off dividing my hair-ish. I'm gonna start on one side. Guys, this is probably like the longest I've kept my hair straight, and it's so dirty, oh my god. Can't wait to wash it. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of split one side into 3 parts. Open up my oil. I also love that it comes in this tube, so it's like way easier to put in your scalp. Really massage it in there. Now I'm going to change out my hair tie, but I'm gonna put on my little portable hair dryer so that the heat of the oil can really seep in to my scalp and my hair. Alrighty, it's been 5 minutes. They recommend 3 to 5 sleeping your hair, so I took the maximum amount. So let's take it out. Oh wow. Oh, my scalp is already feeling so much better. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yes. Love it, love it. Curls are kind of coming back a little bit, but not really. So I am going to shampoo this out and I'll be back to show you guys the deep conditioning treatment. I'm back. My hair has been cleansed. I used the Diva Curl Lopu shampoo. So I'm gonna go in and start putting the deep conditioner in. Ooh, it's super wet and it's kind of chilly. So, alrighty. Okay. Ooh, y'all see that? That is a pretty blue. Wow. Oh my God. That smells so good. All right. It says to put a generous amount of deep conditioner. And that is what I'll do. Because I was definitely missing some moisture. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. Wow, it's really detangling my hair really well too. Not all deep conditioners detangle my hair well. Oh my God, y'all, I can't get over this smell. It's like perfumey. It smells so good. This side is all done. Look at those curls coming back. Don't you just love it when your curls like just snap back after you straighten your hair? Every time I straighten my hair, I always get like a little scared that my curls aren't gonna come back the way they were before. Okay, so it says to leave it in for about 10 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it in for like 15-20 because my hair needs the moisture, so. We're gonna leave it up like that, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. So these are the results. My curls are back, they're popping, super, super soft. Definitely due to that deep conditioner, and the color is popping as per usual too. So I'm definitely going to invest in using that deep conditioner more, especially to keep up my color. I don't do a good job about like buying those type of shampoos that you're supposed to use and like stuff like that. So the least I can do is do this. But anyway, you've reached the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thank you guys for continuing to subscribe and coming back. We are over 300 subscribers now, so awesome, awesome, awesome. The family is growing, so thank you. But yeah, let us know what other videos that you want to see in the comments below, and till next time, guys, peace out.